this rolling? You shout rolling.
Do that.
Speed.
Up to speed and rolling.
I don't even know what to say because I haven't done this in so long. Welcome back to doing stupid shit with Leora. I haven't been around for a while. I can't be asked to give you an excuse. I just got back from being upside down in the land of Down Under, and when I was down there, somebody bought me these because they wanted to watch me eat them on Drunk Cooking, because fuck it, why not? I've been drinking this evening. It seemed like a really good idea. There really isn't much premise to it. Eat the chip, try not to die. It literally says on the box, do not consume. Let's consume. We've got gravy and then whatever else is in the booze cabinet. As my Aussie friends will say, drink some concrete and harden the fuck up. Let's go. Don't touch your eyes. This is Kathica, she's great. She's been on before. All right, cheers. There's no flavor, just spice.
I'm not coming for dinner anymore.
I don't think it's that.
When can I get into the gravy?
It's like giving birth. It's not that bad.
I really want the gravy.
What I forgot to mention is that my team have made up some random rule that we're not allowed to drink anything for the first 5 minutes. I think we should have been allowed to drink because I would be drunker now. I actually think that Australia is lying when they say this is the same. So does anybody know how many Scovilles, excuse me, this is cashew. That's our boom. I've had hotter things. So that was shit. Disappointed! It wasn't that spicy. I'm gonna eat a bunch of them because I'm a dickhead. I've lined up a vomit in a row. Comment down below with the name of this disgusting concoction. Round two, 2 chips.
Gravy.
Gravy! No.
Gravy!
Milk! Give me a whiskey. Gravy!
I'm gonna pour you some shots.
It's a nice bit of port after dinner.
I'm crying. It's actual tears.
Don't touch your eyes.
This is rum, coconut rum. Straight off to milk. You know this is gonna go well. Welcome back to Chunder Drunk with Leora. There's a reason I haven't done this in a really long time, and that reason was I was really tired of chundering.
Those drinks are gonna drink themselves.
Which one will make me chunder less?
They're all gonna go down, honey.
And they're all gonna come up.
Get wine, port, then whiskey, and in that order you can't fail.
Yeah.
Pot.
I think it's failing.
It's okay. I didn't die. I just got a lot drunker though. This is the sign off. I've been drunk, you've been Leora.
Any final words?
Gravy. Stay spicy. And that's a wrap.